Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll see how we can improve application-wide error handling by rethrowing JavaScript error with the newly introduced error clause. Now the cause property in JavaScript is used to retain access to the original error when throwing a new error, which can be particularly useful in debugging and handling nested errors. So here, let's start with an example. So here we have this fetch data, which is simulating a failure. So here we are saying reject new error as network error. And then we'll be calling this fetch data in another function. Let's have another function over here. And we're calling this function as process data. So process data is internally calling fetch data, and obviously this is going to reject it. So our catch error block will get called. And here, as you can see, we are throwing a new error which says failed to process data. But along with that, the error object is also having this original error that is being thrown from the fetch data method, and that can be accessed using the error parameter that we have passed. So here we are saying cause error, and now if I create another function which will call this process, and let's go ahead and do that. So here we have the main function, and then we'll be calling this function. So here internally I'm having this try catch block, and we are calling this process data. Obviously process data will internally call fetch data, which will result in this error, and we'll get this message failed to process data. But along with that, over here you can see that we have this error.cause. So if this object is existing, then we are going ahead and we are also logging that error.cause.message. So let's save this now and open up our browser console, and there we go. So here we have two errors displayed. The first one says error failed to process data. So if you see process data, we have this error failed to process data, and then the other one comes as original error, and this is basically showing the error message that we have written over here in our fetch data. So it says network error. This way it is quite easy to understand where exactly the error is happening, and you can go ahead and resolve the same accordingly. In other words, the cause property can be used to retain and access the original error, providing more context for debugging and handling nested errors.